Hi, I'm Elizabeth from Hook and Happy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a 2 double crochet cluster. For the final round of my table mat, I am alternating 2 double crochet clusters with chain stitches. As I am right-handed, I am working from right to left, but if you are left-handed, you'll be working from left to right. In this pattern, the 2 double crochet clusters are worked into the chain spaces from the previous round. So put the yarn over the hook and insert the hook into the chain space. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. There should now be 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and then insert the hook back into the same space. Going back into the same space or stitch is what makes this a cluster. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. You now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. There should now be 3 loops on your hook and 2 half-finished double crochet stitches. Now yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to complete the stitch. And that is how you make a 2 double crochet cluster. Clusters can be created with any number of stitches, usually 2 or 3, and they add really great texture and visual interest to your work. Now I'm going to continue this round and I will show you how to make a 2 double crochet cluster one more time. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook back into the same stitch or space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over and pull through all 3 to complete the stitch. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to click the subscribe button for more tips and tutorials from me. Thanks for watching!